husband is coming up.
Yeah, his spouse.
My husband is coming up.
Okay.
We're divorced. Yeah,
Okay.
divorced.
Did you want me to delete that with them?
Omeprazole,
Yes.
prenatal vitamins,
Yes.
Nurtec,
Yes.
Sertraline,
Yes.
Topiramate,
Yes.
Verapamil,
Yes.
and Wixip.
Yes.
Is there anything I'm missing?
No, that's it.
Any changes with medical history or procedures since the last time you came?
No.
That you will be seeing Patrick today.
Yes.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Same here.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
So, how's it going?
Good.
How's your neck?
It's getting a little bit better, but it's still there.
Yeah, I've been through this before, okay? The main risks of the surgery of messing with aneurysms that have been treated, and you had one rupture before, you can have a rupture, we had aneurysm that we're trying to treat, you know, it's already been treated, so the risk of rupture is very low. Let's just spend one night in the hospital too. They'll probably keep you in the ICU overnight, just to make sure, ICU or step-down unit, to make sure we keep close tabs on you. And then if everything's going well and everything's fine here, you go home the next day.
Okay, I have a question. You got your...
And on the elevators or you're right, okay?
No, thank you. Have a good one.